Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In front of me I have Xiaomi Watch 5 and today I'm going to show you how to connect to the Wi-Fi network on this watch. So let's get started. First we need to open the settings on our watch. To do it, press the Chrome button to wake up the screen, then press it again to open the menu. Scroll through the menu, look for the settings icon and tap on it, and then find the connectivity option and select it. And here, find the Wi-Fi, tap on it, make sure that the Wi-Fi is enabled, and once you do, you can scroll down, tap on Add Network, and here you have the list of networks available in the vicinity of your watch. And to connect to the network, tap on it, and you will need to enter the password if it's password protected, and you have two options, enter on phone or enter on watch. I'm gonna use the option enter on phone because it's more convenient, but you can also do it directly on the watch if you want to. And basically, if you tap on enter on phone, the pop-up on the phone that is paired with your watch will appear and you can enter the password. Okay, and then you can tap on connect. And the watch should start connecting to the network. And if you enter the password correctly, the network will appear right here on the list of saved networks. And if you go back, it will also appear right here under the button, the power button or the on button for the Wi-Fi. If this network is right here, it means that the watch is currently connected to it. Also, it will appear on the list of saved networks right here. And it should be somewhere right here. It is. Okay, and basically, once you're done, you can press the Chrome button. And that's how you connect to the Wi-Fi network on this watch. So if you found this video any helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.